Hi, my name is Justin. Welcome to the TT Scratch Adventure Part 2 of the Amazing Piano. We're going to make a cool click effect. So we need to build a new sprite, and the sprite, its name is going to be called Click, and we need to design a cool clicker effect. You can do this fill. You can just make like any fancy pattern you want. Doesn't really matter. Make it look as really cool or really stupid. But yep. Take your outline. I like changing it to 0. And yeah, you can just start dragging out some fills. And this is really ugly because like I'm not spending much time on it, but this is the main thing. We want it to like a suitable size, like this, and we drag it into the middle. Or you can just like change it, and then now we drag it into the middle. You use the computer arrow keys. It doesn't have to be exactly in the middle, but close to the middle though. So now we make it so every time the black key is pressed, then like our clone of the click is made. So when this sprite clicked, we go into control and go to create a clone. But you don't create a clone of myself, you create a clone of the click. So you select click. So yep, you start off with a create a clone click, because like that's what happened at the start. Put a click and then say when I start as a clone, right here, you need it to like, I see right now you need it to show. And there's also one grid for click, drag a show and hide. And yep. Now we need the clone to go to the front layer. So when we click it, there's just one. Now we go into motion and we go to mouse pointer. This is like they're going to mouse pointer, so now it's like here. You can change it like how high it is or how low it is. So now going into control, we're going to repeat this 100 times, and we're going to slowly make it move up. So we change Y by 1, so it's 100 steps in total. And at the start we change Y by 50, just in case. So green flag clicked. So this is basically it. But then at the end we have to delete the clone, or then it'll just stay there forever. That's how it works. Now we can also change the color effect by 1 or 10. You can technically change it how much you want it to be. I'm going to change it to 10. And we also change the size by -1, so it looks like it's slowly fading away. At the end, it's going to turn to 0, see? Slowly fade away until it's nothing. Okay. I'm going to stage remove this backdrop and actually find a good backdrop. I'm going to do stars like we normally do. Galaxy will work as well, but I prefer stars. We're deleting the rest of these backdrops. And then see, they're pretty good. You can do it with a cool click effect. But now we need to do step 5. We need to add more backdrops and click costume. So I'm just gonna make a few click costumes right now, and yeah. So right now, a few more click costumes. Make this a tiny bit smaller. And yeah. This is the next click effect. We can add a few circles over here. And yeah, let's go to code. So when the green flag clicks, we want it to switch to the next costume. So every time you tap the green flag, it will change. See? Click effect, press it again, and it's the other click effect. Not bad, huh? And now we're going to Google and search up music background image, or you just search up music background, it's the same thing. And I'm going to select some images and paste it. So yep, I like this one. So yep. And yeah. You can just find the one that you like. And yep. You can find as much as you like. But now let's just go back. So go into upload backdrop. And then you can upload some. Right now you can't see it, I'm very sorry, but because like I can't record two things at the same time. So now we just make this bigger. So you drag it and make it zoom out and then drag it big enough. So like that. Bigger. So it has to cover the whole screen. This one. Enlarge it. For the whole screen, same as this one. We want the black part to be sticking out. Like this. Okay. So now when the green flag is clicked, we switch to the next costume. As put below. So yeah, this is technically the entire piano done. This is the entire piano, and okay, this is done. Now, when the sprite is clicked, we need to add like a ghost effect. So like when you click it, there's a slowly like a color that changes it, so it's like you know which key is pressed. So you have to set the ghost effect to 100. And then you wait 0.5 seconds and set the ghost effect back to 0. So it's wait 0.01 and press that ghost effect. See, now when you press it, you can see like it just starts. There's a small like lag. So yeah. This is the end of the piano key. If you enjoyed this, then don't forget to subscribe and leave a like.